Hey everyone, it's Sue here and welcome to my channel and thank you all for being here and watching. I received my very first order of Paletteful Packs. It's creativity in a box. It's a monthly kit, and the one that I chose, they have three different ones. They have one for kids, they have a petite Paletteful Pack, and then this is the regular size Paletteful Pack. It is $34.95 a month, and that includes shipping. And I really think it's worth it. So I think it's so much worth it that I went ahead and I ordered three. I just did a 3-month subscription, but you can get 10% off. So when you log in, a little pop-up should come up and it asks for your email and it gives you a code to put in for 10% off. So I got 10% off of $99, so I got it for like 89 something, 3 months worth, so that's basically $30 a month. Okay, so here goes. So I had a request to do a YouTube video on the unboxing of this, and I did already open it because it came yesterday and I couldn't wait. So it does send a little card that describes everything that's in it and the value of everything. So it's definitely worth more than $35 for sure. And this is what it looks like. So it has a little bit of that that filler in there. I'm just going to kind of move that to the side. So the first thing that I saw was this. Excuse me. And it is called a paint puck. Never heard of it. I'm like, what the heck is a paint puck? And sure enough, it describes it right here, that you put it in the bottom of your cup, your water cup, and it helps to clean your paint brushes better. So see, it's like this. It's not hard, it's loose, and it actually has a little suction cup on the back of it. So I will give that a try to see how well it works. Also received these paint brushes, Protégé. There are 5 brushes in there. They are used for many different types of paints. And so I look forward to giving these a try. And the paints that I received are acrylic gouache, 5 different colors. So I'm gonna, right after this video, I'm gonna pull out a really old journal and I'm gonna use these in it. And they also send a nice little palette to go ahead and mix your paints in. So nice and new, isn't it? It's like, I love it when it's like this, you know. And then the last thing that I received is this pad of Strathmore heavyweight mixed media. It's 12 sheets. Look at how thick it is, and it's only 12 sheets. So I didn't even know that Strathmore made this. Sorry. My voice is shot. I'm really struggling with allergies. I have to get to the store and get some Zyrtec. It is really killing me here, but that's okay. So let's see how thick it really is. Oh my gosh, it is thick. Look at this. That's one sheet. It's almost like cardboard, is so thick. Wow, that's really cool. Now see, I didn't even know that this existed. And that's great for, like, if I draw a face or something that I want to really keep and I can put in a frame, or just even put, you know, like lean up against the wall on my desk. Because normally, otherwise, the papers, they kind of fold, right? But that's not going to fold. That's really cool. I'm looking forward to using that. So this was the April kit. And the next kit I get, no, this was the May kit. The next kit I get will be the June kit. So that is what there is. Again, it's $34.95, free shipping, and I'm loving this. So, like I said, I ordered the next 3 months, and I'll see how I like it from there, and then decide if I'm going to continue. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. And you can go to palettefulpacks.com to check it out. And if you get it, let me know how you like it. Because you never know, right? And all people like different things. So this is just my opinion on it. I like it, and I like it enough to order 3 more months. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. And I will be back again this weekend. I actually have some time to play and create, so I'm super excited. So I'll be back. All right, bye-bye, everybody.